Hey team, so I was searching for a car accident lawyer in New York City and I came across your ad which is missing a major call out extension. You're probably using an outdated version of Google Ads which is, costing you a lot and let me just show you an example. Here is an example of one of our client who's using the latest version of Google Ad in less budget. Like they have a complete description with a service catalog and also a call out extension of phone number on the Google Ad. Like it's not the usual Google search, it's the Google Ad where they can, your leads can actually call you directly on the Google Ad and just converted, they're converted into the potential clients this way. This is one of the ways to convert your clients into this is one of the ways to minimize your budget and actually increase your conversion rate from 5 to 10%. Also I saw your contact us form here, which is fine. Also, one more thing I would like to suggest is when someone is going to close your page, I opened this from here and let's say someone is closing it and they can have a pop-up message over here. When they click close, a pop-up message will appear like, oh, it's your last chance to get our free consultation, it's your last chance to schedule a call with us or something like that. Just give them a right pop-up to let's connect and it's your last chance to connect or something like that. Let's say I'm just closing and there is no pop-up, so the page is closed. So this is one of the insight that I so this is one of the insight I would so this is something I was hoping to tell you. And there is also one more thing. Also on your Google ad, when you have a phone number, the benefits are a lot. Like you can also have a site like extension. You can also have other call out extensions like no win no fee or something like. You can also have call out extensions like no win no fee, and it just decreases your CTR, pay per click, and increases your conversion rate. So let's connect and discuss how we can properly manage and decrease your budget to increase your conversion rate. Thank you.